So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 different spring bullet journal theme ideas as we are in spring, and these are just 6 different ideas that I love. Some of them are ones I've done in the past, and I will link the videos, the Plan With Me videos, where I made them. Some others are ones that I've just seen that I maybe want to do in the future, and I've seen on social media that I think are also super great ideas that you guys should try out. So without further ado, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more bullet journal, wellness and inspiration content, and let's get right on with the video. So the first theme idea I'll be sharing with you guys is an oranges theme, and if you didn't already know, I did that in March 2021, which is super recently, so I will have that video link in the card and down below so you guys can check it out if you haven't already. For this theme, I did something slightly different to what I normally do, which is using pencil in my bullet journal. So I just thought it would go better with this theme, and I did. In that my bullet journal setup I did in March, it worked super well and love how it turned out. So I thought, I think that theme worked really well with pencil. I'm just kind of outlining it in the different color I want to use. So I have the orange and the green. So I'm doing these outlines are like base colors with the lighter green and the lighter orange, and then afterwards I go over and add shadows and different texture to the oranges using a darker orange and a darker green. So the second theme idea I have for you guys is a clouds one. I got this inspiration from Amanda Rachel. I think she did it as an April theme. I think it was a few years ago, and I did this as one of my April themes as well a few years ago when I was just starting out. I don't have a video for that because I only started like this time last year doing bullet journal videos, but I did do that in my bullet journal when I was starting out, so maybe 2018, something like that, and I really liked it. So this is kind of a black and white. Maybe you could add some blue raindrops. I did do that in my setup, I think, as well, but this is mainly just black and grey. I used black and grey, yeah. So I outlined with a kind of thin, I think I used a 01 fine liner, just did these puffy clouds, made sure to overlap the lines, make it all extravagant, not these like boring old clouds that you used to draw as a kid. But these are just really fun to draw. I love, it's so therapeutic drawing all of these little bumps. And then after that I went in with a really light grey Tombow pen, and just added some shadows and highlights just to make it kind of have more texture and dimension to it. So the third theme idea I have is this really cute dragonfly theme. I got this idea, I haven't actually done this before in my bullet journal, but I got this idea from Plinth Said on Instagram and YouTube. I'll link down below so you can check out the theme. I think that's how you say his name, I don't know. So I just did the lettering using my Tombow Fudenoski hard tip brush pen, and then I drew out these 2 really cute butterflies using a kind of thin fine liner, and then I coloured in the body using a 027 Tombow pen, and then I did the wings. I used a really thin fine liner which was kind of running out, but I think that added to the nice effect. It was a 005. I just did these details in the wing. And then I added, using a really light blue mild liner, I just added some colour to the wings. The fourth theme I have is a dog theme. I got a lot of great feedback from you guys on this theme on YouTube and on Instagram. You really seem to love it. I did this in January 2021 because I got my dog in January 2021, so I thought I'd honour him by doing a cute little dog theme. He is a Labrador. I didn't actually include Labrador Doodle in this setup, but these just doodles are really cute. I did a Dalmatian. I think it's a pointer, the grey one that I did, I'm not sure. A sausage dog, and then the other one I drew, I think is kind of sort of beagle. I kind of just made it up as I went along and drew kind of like a cute dog idea, not any particular breed or anything. The colours that I used, I added some pops of colour after I'd finished with my mild liners, and I love the colours I used. Yeah, I did. My January setup is linked down below in the card if you'd like to watch it, because I do have a lot more dog doodle ideas on there if you'd like to see more of this theme and how I created the setup overall. So the fifth theme idea I have for you guys is these really cute flowers in these like glass pots. So I did this theme back in, I think it was May 2020, so like in lockdown, and I did upload this video on YouTube. It was like my second How Me video on YouTube, so I was still kind of new to the whole filming thing. I will link the video down below and in the card if you'd like to watch it. It's probably not as great as the video you're watching right now because I made it when I was literally just starting out, but I will link it so you guys can check it out if you'd like to see more of the setup. This was a super minimal theme. I used a really thin fine liner to create the glass pots and then also to outline the flowers and the leaves. I only used 3 colours in this theme. I mean, I may have used some grey as well, but that doesn't really count as a colour. But I used a really light green, a really super light and pastel yellow, and a pastel pink as well, just to create the flowers and the leaves, and I think that really went with this minimal theme. Now, the final theme I have is a really cute bicycle theme. I haven't done this theme before. I really want to do it sometime. It is a really cute like bicycle theme, like a picnicky kind of vibe with some flowers in the baskets, and I really love that. So I drew the outline of the bicycle using my fine liner, and then I coloured it in using this kind of like beige, kind of like a light brown colour to do like the basket and the outline of the bicycle. Then with my I used a green and then a purple and a blue for the flowers. I just did some flowers and leaves inside the basket. Super abstract. I didn't draw any outline for the flowers. I literally just did some dots to make it look like leaves and flowers. Really abstract, really minimal way, and I love how this theme turned out. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more bullet journal, wellness, and inspirational content from me. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.